A very good morning to all of you. Today we will start this topic. Let's think along and this question of page number 207. These questions are of chapter number 13, data handling. So let's see this question. First question is, Subodh wanted to know the type of books his students like to read. He found that out of 50 students, 25 students like to read mystery books. Only 5 students like non-fiction books. There were twice as many students who liked fairy tales as non-fiction books. The rest of the students liked comic books. So first of all, we have to collect this data. First thing which is given that there are total 50 students. So total number of students are 50. The next thing that 25 students like to read mystery books. Then students who like mystery books are 25. The next one is only 5 students liked non-fiction books. Students who liked non-fiction books are 5. Then there is given there were twice as many students who liked fairy tales as non-fiction books. Means there are 5 students who like non-fiction books, so it's twice, means double. Twice students who liked fairy tales. Are twice of this non-fiction books, means 10. Then the rest of the students like comic books. So how many students are there? 25 plus 5 30 and 10 40, means remaining 10 students are like comic books. Students who liked comic books. So 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. Then now draw a bar graph based on the given information given above. So we have to draw a bar graph. So we can take this graph in distance of 5, because these all are factor of 5. So we can take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. This is number of students. So first book is mystery book, then non-fiction books, next is fairy tales, and next is comic books. So these are books and number of students. First, in mystery books, means students who like mystery books. So there are 25 students who like mystery books. So we draw it till 25. The next is student who like non-fiction books. So there are 5 students who like non-fiction books. Then there are 10 students who liked fairy tales. And 10 students who like comic books. So that's the graph of first part A. You have to draw this diagram with the help of scale and pencil. The next part of question number 1 is, what is the difference between the number of students who liked fairy tales and those who like non-fiction books? So students who like fairy tales are 10 and students who like non-fiction books are 5. Means there is a difference of 5 in between these two kind of students. So we can write here the difference between the number of students who like fairy tales books and those who liked non-fiction books. Is the difference is 5, because we can say that 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So that's the difference. I hope you can understand this question easily. So note down this question in fair copy and complete your work. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, class.